Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello
Waalaikumsalam
everyone.
warahmatullahi
Today,
wabarakatuh.
today we would like to present about standard-based assessment in English language development. In this presentation, we will explain that standard-based assessment is how it applied through different testing system, its impact on student and teacher, and why we need more fair and student-centered approach in assessment. But before we jump to the material, let me introduce our group first. We are from Group 8 and our members are named Dita Triana, Atan Najwa Salsabila Ramadhani, and Nabil Najmi. And the first material will be explained by me. Next slide, please. Standard-based assessment is an assessment system that measures student learning based on clearly defined academic standards. Instead of comparing students to one another, this system compares student performance to specific learning goals. The main focus is on what students can demonstrate and apply, not only on their final scores. This approach helps teachers identify student strengths and weaknesses more accurately and support meaningful feedback for improvement. Next slide, please. CELDT. The California English Language Development Test is designed to assess students who are learning English as a second language. It evaluates for language skill like listening, speaking, reading, and writing across all grade levels. CELDT is alike with English language development standard, which ensure that assessment reflects student progress in acquiring academic English. However, due to test security reasons, detailed test specifications are not publicly available. Okay, that's all for me, and next will be explained by my friend. Nabil, time is yours.
All right, thank you, Dita. So, I will explain about student center assessment. What is that? It is traditional standard tests often fail to capture student real learning process. Because of this limitation, student centered assessment methods were developed. One example is like portfolio assessment, where teacher collects student work over time. Another example is LALR, in which teacher continuously observe student classroom performance and document their progress. This method provides a more authentic picture of learning because they focus on real classroom activity rather than one-time exams. Okay, next is, sorry, next is CASES and SCAN. So what is CASES, or Comprehensive Adult Student Assessment System? CASES is commonly used in adult education and workforce program. It helps educator place learner at appropriate level, diagnose learning needs, monitor progress, and certify basic competencies required in daily life and employment. So, what is SCAN? SCAN means Secretary Commission on Achieving Necessary Skill. SCAN focus on workplace skill such as teamwork, communication, technology use, problem solving, and resource management. Both systems emphasize practical ability, preparing learner for real-world situation beyond academic setting. And for my last subject is teacher standard. Teacher standard is what teacher quality in a crucial role in student success. Teacher standard include knowledge of linguistic, understanding of language and culture, and effective intertextual planning. Like TESOL. TESOL performs based assessment for teacher, meaning that teachers are evaluated through classroom practice, lesson implementation, and teaching evidence, not only written examination. So this approach encourages continuous professional development and relative teaching. For the next slide is will explained by my friend. Time is your Atta.
Okay, thank you, Nabil. So I will explain about the the impacts of standardized testing. So that standardized quality plays a crucial role in students' success. So teacher standards include knowledge of linguistic, understanding of language and culture, and effective instructional planning. So TESOL promotes. So, I mean, okay, TESOL promotes the performance-based assessment for teacher, meaning that the teacher are evaluated through classroom practice, lesson implementations, and teaching evidence. So the impact of standardized testing. So there are two impacts of the standardized testing. First is positive, and the second is negative. So first, positive impact. Standardized tests such as TOEFL, SAT, and GRE are widely used because they are efficient, reliable, and practical for large-scale assessment. They help institutions make academic placement and admission decisions. However, these tests also create high stakes pressure and course teaching to test and may limit creativity in classroom. Students often experience anxiety while teacher may feel forced to prioritize task preparations over meaningful learning. Okay, language testing argues that tests are not neutral. They are influenced by social, cultural, and political power structures. Therefore, assessment systems should use multiple evaluations methods, including classroom performance, projects, portfolio, and observations. This approach support fairness and recognize diverse students' abilities. Next. So, in conclusions, assessment should be fair, meaningful, and student-centered. It should not rely on standardized tests. Using multiple measures of performance can better support students' development and educational equity. So, yeah, back to moderator.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you very much for the attention.